The question of whether AI will replace humans is a topic of widespread discussion, resonating in various settings from educational institutions to corporate environments and even casual social gatherings. Artificial intelligence has made significant strides, now capable of composing essays, creating art, and even assisting medical professionals in saving lives. This raises the critical question, is AI poised to dominate, or is it intended to collaborate with us? In the following discussion, we will explore how AI is transforming jobs, daily life, and creativity, and what these changes imply for your future. Let's begin with the impact of AI on the workforce. Throughout history, every major technological advancement has altered job landscapes. Consider the printing press, the steam engine, and the computer. AI represents the latest evolution in this progression. Certain jobs are particularly vulnerable to AI's influence. Roles that are repetitive, rules-based, or heavily reliant on data are where AI demonstrates its strengths. Examples include customer service chatbots, automated data entry, and even aspects of accounting and legal research. However, the narrative is not solely about replacement. AI is also revolutionizing existing jobs. For instance, a financial analyst may no longer manually process numbers. Instead, they will utilize AI to swiftly identify patterns, allowing them to concentrate on strategic tasks. Similarly, a lawyer will oversee AI-generated documents, dedicating their expertise to negotiation and nuanced understanding. Moreover, AI is giving rise to entirely new job categories: AI trainers, prompt engineers, and ethicists. These roles were virtually non-existent just a few years ago. Therefore, the pertinent question is not merely, will AI take my job? But rather, how will my job evolve, and am I prepared for these changes? AI's influence extends beyond the workplace. It is already integrated into our daily lives. Whether you're asking Siri a question, scrolling through your TikTok feed, or placing an order on Amazon, AI operates behind the scenes. It suggests products you might purchase, content you might watch, and even aids in detecting health issues through your smartwatch. The potential for AI to be life-changing is immense. For example, a student with dyslexia can use AI to have text read aloud, and someone traveling abroad can translate conversations in real time. These capabilities are indeed powerful. However, there is a trade-off to consider. The same algorithms that recommend shows also determine the information you encounter, sometimes leading to echo chambers. Additionally, the AI that simplifies shopping also collects vast amounts of your personal data. Trust becomes a significant concern as AI-generated voices and deepfakes become increasingly realistic, raising questions about authenticity. Navigating daily life with AI involves a constant balancing act between convenience and control, personalization and privacy. Now let's delve into the realm of creativity, arguably the most human of activities. AI has the ability to generate paintings, music, poems, and even video game levels. For some artists, this may feel like competition. Why hire a designer if a client can simply input a prompt into an AI? Yet many creators perceive AI differently. They view it as a collaborator rather than a competitor. Instead of supplanting imagination, AI serves as a catalyst, helping to brainstorm ideas, explore new styles, or manage the technical aspects of creation. Consider historical precedents. When photography was invented, painters feared the end of their careers. Instead, painting evolved into new movements such as Impressionism, abstract art, and Surrealism. New tools led to new forms of art. Perhaps AI will have a similar impact. The future artist may not solely paint or compose, but will co-create with machines. So, will AI replace you? The answer is nuanced. Sometimes yes, often no. AI will certainly replace certain tasks, and in some industries, even entire roles. However, more frequently, it will reshape our work, encouraging us to focus on the qualities that define us as humans: judgment, empathy, imagination, and ethics. The future is not about humans versus AI, it is about humans with AI. Those who will thrive are those who learn, adapt, and utilize AI as a tool rather than perceiving it as a threat. The next time you encounter the question, will AI replace me? Consider reframing it. Instead ask, how will I collaborate with AI to shape the future? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you view AI as a threat or as a partner?